Dr. Trust what's best for your health.
Struggling to read your BP results? Let the Dr. Trust IntelliTrack BP monitor speak to you. With dual talking mode and a backlit wide display, every reading is loud, clear, and easy to see.
Diastolic, 73 millimeters of mercury.
No complicated setup. Just wrap the cuff around your arm, press start to track your BP effortlessly. See your results on the large backlit display, or let the voice guide you step by step. You can get clear BP readings with cuff OK, arm movement indicators, dual user profiles, and a memory function that keeps track for you. With dual power options and auto shutoff, it is always ready when you need it. Efficient and reliable. Clear readings, voice guidance, and complete control helps you monitor your BP with confidence.
विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के अनुसार आपका बीपी ज्यादा है।
Dr. Trust what's best for your health.